Just send me a prayer and I'll spread my wings in the sky. Let's go and wave like you see me now. Hold on, we're flying high. Let's go and wave like you see me now. Hey, tell me a story. You've been hiding yourself again. Turn your shame to glory and shake off the ball and chain. Call me insane, call me a fool. You're in the...
What's going on, guys? Coming to you from the garage, working on the buggy currently. Last weekend we went out on New Year's Eve with some of the Dr. Willie's guys. I would post a video, but one of the guys broke a subframe, so it was a very short-lived. Here's some highlights you can check out real quick. There you go.
Where am I going after this?
Up through here.
Up through there.
Yeah. Rear, tell them rear that way, it will lock them. Now straighten the rear. Yeah. Front me. Yep. Rear. Kick the rear a little bit my way. Whoa. Yeah. Very nice. Yahtzee. Right there. He broke his subframe too, so that was pivoted backwards.
Joe's fault.
Rear up. Yep. Yep.
Oh yeah, nicely done.
Front a little bit driver. Yep. You gotta drop in like 4 feet. Driver. Driver. All right, straighten up. Yep, you're gonna go off. almost scratched his back.
Make sure he gets his light bar past that tree.
Yeah.
Fires.
A little bit your way.
This way a little bit.
There you go.
Got it. There you go. Now roll with it.
I couldn't.
Gas pedal will touch it.
Yeah, the gas pedals, the clutch is the problem. I didn't want this video to be a whole talking head video, so hope you enjoyed those clips. Gonna try to get some older footage, maybe some 360 camera footage and make some videos out of that, but letting you guys know our plans for 2024. February 16th through the 18th is our typical time we go to Motorama. So that's why we redo the buggy and head to Motorama. April is a she crawls event down in Good Evening Ranch. That, or 26th through the 28th. May's event is 24th through the 26th. That's a trail ride I'm gonna put on called Spring Breaker. We're gonna hit up Famous Redding. And then the weekend right after that, the 31st through the 2nd, will be Wheeling for the Warriors up in New Hampshire, up at the amusement park, which is none other than Field and Forest. Then June 14th through the 16th is a comp nearby, SLRC and X-Rock. That's going to be at Famous Redding. We're probably going to head to that. We don't know if we're going to compete. We'll probably film, wheel, and do a lot of rec wheeling. July through September, nothing really planned. So my plan is I would like to get out to Wellsville. A bunch of guys want me to go to Wellsville, so I'm going to definitely tentatively try to make that. Fireball has some trails and out in Rhode Island, so I want to make it there this year, and many other places and private properties that I'd like to check out. So I'm going to leave July through September to try to figure that out. Any weekend that's not mentioned, we definitely will be local to either AOA or Famous Redding, wheel one of those parks. And we post usually the day of, or that Thursday or Friday, we're gonna go here or there. October is Rocktoberfest down in Good Evening Ranch. Last year it was the 11th through the 13th, so it's gonna be somewhere around the same date. And probably end of September, near my birthday, is probably when I'll do the Triple Threat event. That's 3 days of hardcore wheeling across 3 mountains or 3 parks. Sort of like what Spring Breaker is going to be, but we're going to more focus on one area to try to get that area developed more and broken in more so it's more doable. The other thing I will be doing is there's an awesome new spot. If you watch the video of Roush Creek, I want to make a trails over there by Roush Creek over in Famous Redding. That's in Tower City, I believe. I'd like to get that done this year. The buggy did well last year. We did have some major catastrophes, but wheeling every single weekend, the stuff we wheel, you're gonna have problems. This year, we updated a lot. So this year, we're looking forward to working all the kinks out. Last year we were really close, and this year we'll be even closer. It's not ever truly done. If you tell yourself, you're just kidding yourself. but we'll have new drive shafts in, new gears front and rear. We're doing 540s in the front and 567s in the rear to try to see if that makes a difference. We did a couple other updates, like the front end behind me, which helps with visibility because there isn't so much going on and it looks way cleaner, and the motor doesn't look like it's just jammed in there. We found out we had a broken motor mount, so we made bomb-proof mounts. I posted that online. Those mounts shouldn't have a problem. We broke our skid plate on the front twice, so this year I did a little different. I'll post pictures of that on our social medias. And if you guys aren't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. If you made it this far in the video, I'd appreciate it. Our analytics, which I'll post now, basically it says 80% of people are new viewers. If we can get a couple of those to subscribe, we'll really grow this channel. And when you subscribe, when you comment, when you like, when you share the video, it's all free, and it does help a tremendous amount with the algorithm. If you ever wonder how it can help, you can always look up algorithm of YouTube on YouTube, of course, and that will explain it. It's this metric, I guess you would call it, where it sees people interacting with your videos. It also sees if you slack off one weekend. They kind of punish you. If you don't slack off, if you slack off for your normal one or two videos a week and you go to 0 for a week or two, it's almost like you have to start back over, unless you're a huge YouTube channel that posts a video and you get 1 million views. But for an average guy, it really is detrimental. So I hope your holidays were good. We appreciate all of you guys. And if you saw this, I'll post this. We grew a ton in 1 year, and we have a ton more to grow, but we couldn't do it without you guys watching and hitting subscribe and sharing it and watching the videos through. And I see all that on my analytics of how videos perform. So I really appreciate you guys following us along on this journey, and we'll catch you on the next one.